Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to show you 6 ways how to shoot top down overhead videos with your phone and without a tripod. So let's check them out. Way number 1, put phone camera between the chair's spindles. Well, if you've got a tall chair with its spindles, let's try to put the phone in between these spindles for stability. Next, turn on camera app. Now notice that if you're in a 1x mode, then the camera might capture a little bit of the spindles in your top-down overhead videos. But wait a second, we can just make it 2x zoom mode and voila, it works. Now let's see what we've got in the way number 2. Way number 2. Put phone camera on a table and shoot videos from the top. You've got a table, don't you? Let's put the phone camera on this table. And now open the camera and shoot from top down angle. Way number 3. Put the phone on the window silk. Window silk. That's one of the cinematic ways here to shoot some overhead direct down videos from your phone. Phone with camera facing down. And here we go. Way number 4. Use box, ruler, phone, books, chair or stool together. Here I've got a box, rulers, my phone, lots of books. Next, I'm going to stabilize the phone on these rulers. Get it done? Phone with the ruler on, and on that with lots of books. Well done. Way number 5. Shoot overhead videos with phone and chopsticks or sticks. Without a tripod to stabilize my phone, I just tried these DIY hacks of 2 chopsticks, 2 pens and some rubber bands and wrap it up a stabilized phone. Now we can put the phone camera on top of table, a chair, a windowsill, a box and any other objects. You name it here in the comment section down below, okay? But not yet. We still got one more way to shoot top down overhead videos here to check out. Way number 6. Turn a boom arm mic stand into a tripod. Oh, I forgot to mention here that we can convert a boom arm mic microphone stand into a tripod for phone camera too, or any microphone stand to tripod for phone cam. Here's an approximate way how it works. All you need is a thread adapter. Most phone camera holders come with 1/4 thread, so we need to get an adapter to convert this big pin here into the one that can hold the phone camera. I've got a 3/8 female to 1/4 male thread adapter, and voila, this works out pretty well for me. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like, share the videos to others, leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.